Friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to on eyes protection mode in our Tecno phone. Friends, you want to on your eyes protection mode in your Tecno phone. So friends, how can you on it? In this video friends, I am going to show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So friends, now time to start video friends. First of all guys, open your phone setting to on your eyes protection mode. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So guys what will you have to do guys, you can see guys your display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here and guys click on this your eyes protection mode setting, means eye care mode setting guys. We call it eyes protection mode. So friends, you want to on, so friends you can on from here the right side guys. After on guys your screen color will change into like cream color, and guys you want to adjust this color. So guys you can adjust your cool and warm color, you can adjust, you can customize yourself guys your eyes protection mode color temperature. So like that guys, you can on guys your eyes protection mode in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends, we will meet on next video. Bye friends.